Ulit-ulit na natumba kanina yung ang tawag mo dyan, yung cellphone. Kasarap ng kopi. Ayan po. Hello, hello. Good morning once again. I'm back. Let's go. Some sips of coffee. Umalis na. Nandun na sa injection ka muna sana bago ka ligo. Well, anyway, nice to be back again. You know, I just had my birthday. And now, again, another occasion, We'll be having our Dadura reunion at Nelros Farm Garden and Resort, and we'll be having some fun again and some food. Oh my God. Sige. Ay, nawala yung kilay ko dito, oh. Inalis. Oh my God. Tinanggal yung kilay ko rin eh. Bakit? Oh, maganda naman sa kabila. Ala, loko-loko yung nag-makeup sa akin. Anyway, may pran dyan. Yan.